Hello everyone, welcome back to your Illuminate Pages. Today we are diving into the timeless wisdom of The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles. Join us as we uncover the secrets to achieving wealth and success through the power of positive thinking and alignment with the universe. Principle 1: The Power of Thought. Discuss the importance of positive thinking and how thoughts shape our reality. Highlight the concept of visualizing wealth and abundance. Our thoughts hold immense power. They shape our reality and determine our outcomes. In The Science of Getting Rich, the work emphasizes that cultivating a positive mindset is crucial for achieving wealth and success. Principle 2: Taking action. Emphasize the necessity of action in turning dreams into reality. Discuss the importance of persistence and determination in the pursuit of wealth. Emphasizes the importance of taking consistent and powerful action towards achieving wealth, while positive thinking and visualization set the stage. It's the action you take that ultimately determine your success. Principle 3: The Law of Attraction. This principle emphasizes the importance of maintaining a positive mindset and visualizing your desired outcomes. When you focus on abundance rather than scarcity, you align your energy with the opportunities and resources needed to achieve wealth. Principle 4: Gratitude and Abundance Mindset. Encourage viewers to appreciate that they have while striving for more. This principle suggests that by cultivating a mindset of gratitude, individuals can shift their focus from scarcity to abundance rather than dwelling on what they lack. They learn to appreciate the blessings of opportunities and resources already present in their life. Principle 5: Overcoming limiting beliefs. These beliefs often stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, and or fear of failure. In The Science of Getting Rich, Wallace D. Wattles emphasizes the importance of identifying and challenging these limiting beliefs to unlock our true wealth potential. 6: The Creative Process. It highlights that creating wealth is not merely about luck or circumstance, but involves a deliberate and systematic process of bringing ideas into reality. This principle encourages individuals to align their actions with their goals, focusing on creative visualization, strategic planning, and persistent efforts to manifest wealth and abundance in their lives. Principle 7: The Law of Compensation. Introduce the law of compensation and how it rewards value creation. Encourage viewers to focus on providing value to others to attract money. Wealth. By understanding and applying the law of compensation, individuals can align their efforts with creating full value and thereby increasing their opportunities for financial success and fulfillment. Principle 8: Financial Integrity. It stress the importance of honesty and integrity in financial endeavors. Discuss how building interest and enhances opportunity for wealth creation. In essence, this principle underscores the importance of conducting financial affairs with integrity and honesty. It emphasizes that true wealth is built on a foundation of trustworthiness and ethical conduct. There you have it, 8 transformative principles from The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles. And these insights, we can unlock our full potential and achieve greater wealth, success, and fulfillment in life. Thanks for joining us today on your Illuminate Pages. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit that bell icon for the notification and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, may you harness the science of getting rich and manifest your dreams into reality. Signing off, Maheshwari.